Now, we all felt the terrible pain of having lost an incredible artist in Wajid Khan, who was battling multiple health issues and finally succumbed to them. Unfortunately, it is a reminder that the art outlives the artist, and here is what I'm talking about. The last film that the music duo Sajid and Wajid did together is Radhe, Your Most Wanted Bhai, which now will unfortunately release after the demise of Wajid Khan. Having said that, Atul Agnihotri recently revealed that these two fantastic talents have composed two tracks for the film. One is the title track and the other is a romantic number, and these tracks will obviously be loved by every Sajid Wajid Khan fan out there, not just in this country but world over. Here's the story. Wajid Khan was only 42 when he was snatched from his family and the music industry he had enriched with his brother for almost 2 decades. His colleagues and friends from Bollywood remember him as a talented and jovial person, and the outpour of shock and grief at such a young artist dying unexpectedly has been heart-wrenching. Sajid Wajid had been working non-stop and even composed music for Salman's last lockdown song, Bhai Bhai, which released on Eid. The music director duo had also composed 2 songs for Salman's next film, Radhe, Your Most Wanted Bhai. अब इसे इत्तेफाक कहें या किस्मत, साजिद वाजिद की म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री में शुरुआत भी सलमान खान की फिल्म से हुई थी, और जो आखिरी गाने उन्होंने साथ में बनाए वो भी सलमान की फिल्म के लिए ही थे। The film was scheduled to release on May 22nd, but with the lockdown being enforced, the film will now be released without Wajid being present to celebrate its music. Atul Agnihotri, one of Radhe's producers, spoke to an entertainment portal and shared more details about the songs Sajid Wajid had composed for the film. Atul revealed, the film has 5 songs in all. Sajid Wajid had composed 2 songs, one of which is the title track. It is more like the theme song and has a very catchy and uplifting tune. The other Sajid Wajid composition is a romantic track. He also added that the title track composed by the brothers is killer and straight from the heart. The other songs in the album have been composed by South composer Devi Shri Prasad, who will be recreating the hit Siti Maar from the Telugu film. And another one of Salman Khan's favorites, Himesh Reshamya, will be composing a romantic fun song. We hear that the film also has an item number featuring Salman's favorite co-star Jacqueline Fernandez. While we don't know when the film will finally release, we're sure it's going to be an emotional moment to hear Sajid Wajid songs in theaters, knowing कि वो अब कभी एक साथ म्यूजिक नहीं बना पाएंगे.